What are your thoughts, guys, on? I heard some opinions on Hycroft being the rocket fuel that's needed for our short squeeze. So, what are your thoughts on that, fellas?
Think of Hycroft as the rocket fuel that is going to take AMC and Ape to the moon. Hycroft is the rocket fuel that's going to take AMC and Ape to the moon.
So we've talked about this on my lives. I did a video on Hycroft when AMC bought it, that I think that Hycroft was I'm going to use the word ploy, even though that sounds bad. It was a ploy to bring in retail money into a company which needed cash really bad. They've done less than 10% of their core samples. If the core samples they did were compelling, Wall Street gold experts would have already ran the price up.
Bullish as fuck with this video, people. Hycroft Mining, growing through challenges. Hycroft Mining Corporation. And it was written October 10th, which is today. And it says that BlackRock Fund Advisors recently announced the acquisition of new stake in Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, HYMC. The institutional investor has increased his shareholders in the basic minerals company by 3,358.11% Friday.
It'll happen so fast that you won't even be able to hit the buy button. It'll run up when legit news comes out. What we saw a couple weeks ago was retail FOMO run up. Oh, Twitter and StockTwits pumping it up. So I own Hycroft. I have some calls now for March, just in case there's another retail run up. Just a few, not a lot. But I'm looking at it. My shares, I'm counting on them as like a 3 to 5 year play. Very small position, very speculative bet.
The rapidly rising and with I don't know.
Do you really believe BlackRock, Vanguard, Renaissance Technologies, they just woke up last week or last month and decided, hey, you know what? Why don't we invest in a gold mine? And not just any gold mine. Let's invest in a meme stock gold mine that's connected to AMC theaters. No.
And you never know if they come out with good news on more core samples, as we heard from Diane Garrett and Boss Blunts and Pantheon in that interview. Absolutely, it could run up, even before they start pulling gold out of the ground.
They've seen the reports. Things have been going on, people. Not Adam Aaron. Sean, I think he is, came from AMC, sitting on the board of Hycroft. They're lining these things up. Hycroft is going to be the play, people. They're saying that there's so much gold down there in that fucking ground, and people want to raise hell and go, no, but it'll take them years to get. They don't need years to get it out the ground. They only have to prove it's there.
We need a real press release with real news, and you'll see it pop faster than you can blink your eyes. When that happens, you'll know it.
And do you guys think?
I'm not talking moving from 60 cents to $1. I'm talking like dollars.
Dollars, yeah.
To answer your question, can it be rocket fuel for AMC? If Hycroft has good news, Phil, to answer your question, the good news, one day when they have good news and the stock flies up, it could put us in profitable category on AMC just from the Hycroft investment, if Hycroft were to go up several dollars.
Right.
Because of the way of that flow, the flow of the Hycroft investment into our income statement, which translates into earnings per share. Yes, it could be rocket fuel at some point when a real announcement and a real stock move happens.
And once they prove it's there, banks and everybody else are going to line up to do business with Hycroft. And don't forget, AMC is 22% ownership in this fucking mine. I might add also that not only are we 22% owner in this company, but we have warrants that we can buy more at $1.07.
Up from the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing.